Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Slack. Here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.